Imagine tossing a pebble into a calm pond and watching the ripples spread out in perfect circles. Those ripples are waves, and waves are everywhere, carrying energy, light, sound, and even the signals that let us talk on our phones or listen to music. To really understand how waves work, we need to know two key ideas: frequency and wavelength. These concepts help us describe and compare all kinds of waves, from the ones we see to the ones we can't. Wavelength is the distance from the top of one ripple to the next, how stretched out or squished together a wave is. It's like measuring from one peak to the next in a rolling ocean. Some waves have long, gentle wavelengths, while others are short and choppy. The length of the wave changes how it looks and behaves. Frequency is how many ripples pass a point in 1 second, how often the wave wiggles back and forth. It's like counting how many times a jump rope swings by in a second. High frequency means lots of ripples per second, creating fast-moving waves. Low frequency means fewer ripples, so the waves move more slowly. Frequency is measured in hertz, or cycles per second. The higher the number, the more cycles happen each second. Wavelength measures distance. Frequency measures how often. Together, they describe the unique fingerprint of every wave. These two properties unlock the secrets of every wave, from gentle water ripples to powerful rays that cook our food or beam music through the air. Frequency and wavelength are like two sides of a seesaw. When one goes up, the other goes down. This is called an inverse relationship. High frequency means short wavelength, and low frequency means long wavelength. If a wave wiggles quickly, its crests are close together. If it wiggles slowly, the crests are far apart. The speed of the wave ties these two together. Think of it as taking quick, tiny steps versus long, slow strides. This rule applies to all waves everywhere. By knowing either frequency or wavelength, scientists can figure out the other. This relationship helps us organize and understand everything from radio waves to gamma rays. It's the simple math behind the universe's endless waves. You interact with different frequencies and wavelengths every day. Low notes in music are low-frequency sound waves. High notes are high frequency. Colors are light waves with different wavelengths. Red has the longest, violet the shortest. Rainbows are nature's way of sorting light by wavelength. Radios tune into specific frequencies to play your favorite station. Microwaves heat food by vibrating water molecules at just the right frequency. From the colors you see to the signals in your devices, waves are everywhere. Each device and phenomenon uses a unique range of frequencies and wavelengths. We live in a hidden world of waves shaping our daily lives. Waves come in two main types: low-frequency, long wavelength waves, and high-frequency, short wavelength waves. These categories help us understand not just the ocean, but also the invisible waves all around us, from sound to light to radio signals. Low-frequency waves, like the deep rumble of AM radio or the mournful call of a foghorn, travel far and bend around obstacles easily. They're the marathon runners of the wave world, able to reach places that other waves simply can't. These waves carry less energy per wave, but their ability to cover great distances makes them essential for communication and navigation. High-frequency waves, like the piercing blue light from a welder's torch or the sharp squeal of a smoke alarm, are packed with energy and travel in straight lines, making them perfect for tasks that require precision and focus. But with all that energy, they're also easily blocked by walls or doors, unable to bend around corners like their low-frequency cousins. Imagine gently rocking a rope for long, slow waves. Each movement travels far but with less force. Or picture shaking it quickly to create short, powerful waves that snap with energy but don't travel as far. Low frequency means low energy and long wavelength, perfect for reaching distant places and wrapping around obstacles. High frequency means high energy and short wavelength, ideal for tasks that need accuracy and intensity. This simple rule explains how waves behave, how they interact with the world, and how we harness them in technology every day. It's the key to understanding everything from radio broadcasts that reach across continents to laser beams that perform delicate surgeries or scan barcodes at the store. Our eyes only see a tiny slice of all the waves out there, the visible spectrum. This narrow band of light is what gives us the colors of the rainbow, from deep reds to vibrant violets, but it's just a small part of a much larger story. Beyond red light are longer, lower frequency waves, infrared, which we feel as warmth from the sun or a cozy heater. microwaves, which power the ovens in our kitchens, and radio waves, which travel vast distances to bring us music, news, and conversations from around the world. These waves are invisible but essential, carrying music to our headphones, Wi-Fi signals to our devices, and even messages to distant spacecraft exploring the solar system. Without them, our modern world would be silent and disconnected. Beyond violet are shorter, higher-frequency waves, ultraviolet rays from the sun that can give us sunburns, X-rays that let doctors peer inside our bodies, and gamma rays, the most energetic of all, unleashed in cosmic explosions far out in space. These waves carry much more energy than visible light and can be powerful or even dangerous. That's why we wear sunglasses to block UV rays and use special shielding around X-ray and gamma ray machines. Doctors use X-rays to see inside us, revealing broken bones or hidden illnesses. Gamma rays, when carefully controlled, can even help treat cancer by targeting and destroying harmful cells. The electromagnetic spectrum is a vast range of invisible helpers, stretching from the longest radio waves to the shortest gamma rays, each with its own unique uses and mysteries. Every day we rely on these waves to explore the universe, communicate across continents, and heal our bodies. They connect us, inform us, and keep us safe. Understanding them lets us harness their power in ways that once seemed like magic, turning invisible energy into tools that shape our lives and our future. The universe is alive with waves, most of which we can't even see. Yet, they are always there, quietly shaping the world and the cosmos around us.